Hi guys, it's Caleb with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I'm doing a walkthrough video on this new 2025 Yamaha AR195. We have this one in the black color, accented with red and white, really sporty look. It comes with the single axle galvanized trailer with the swing tongue. Nice touch. This also has the 1.8 liter supercharged motor in it. Super fun boat, really fast. It's a great time on the water. Let's hop on inside and I'll show you some of the features on the inside. All right, I guess we'll start out in the swim platform first. Can't skip that. Really spacious area to hang out at the sandbar. You got the non-skid on the bottom and top level. You do have some storage inside of here, as well as access for your clean out in the jet. If you get into any weeds, you can pull those out easily. Cup holders in the back. You got some cushioning for backrests. Good spot to hang out or set up for your wakeboard set or ski set. Hopping on in the telescoping ladder, easy in and out. You got a nice walk through here. This cushion pulls out right here, but I'm gonna step over that for now, but know that you can't pull it out. Tons of seating in here for a 19-foot. You also have this tabletop here that this pulls out as well. Pull that table base out, stow it away. It's got dedicated storage underneath the passenger side console, so it's nice to stow that away and have a spot for it. You got storage underneath all your seats here, your engine compartment. Flip this latch. This is gas assisted up, so you can go up and down with that and get access to that really easily. Extra storage that you can slide underneath this seat. Also have a huge center storage locker in this one. Store all your water toys or skis, anything like that. On the passenger side here, you got some nice non-skid on top, cup holder. A nice little compartment here, glove box. Keep some of your personal items. Moving over to the captain's side, this is on a bolster. Slide that down. Tilt wheel, push of a button, blower, your ignition. You got a nice stereo head here. Hook up to Bluetooth. You got a touch screen here, 5-inch touch screen for your gauge displays, mapping, all that good stuff. Phone holder here as well. Slide your phone holder in there, or phone in the phone holder really easy. You got chargers here as well. You got an auxiliary, a USB-C or a USB, and you also got the 12-volt plug there as well. Some of your default switches here as well. You got courtesy light, navigation light, bilge, horn. You also got cruise control in this one too, so it's easy to pull skiers and stay at a consistent speed. Nice throttle assembly over here. Nicely placed, comfortable to use. Nice flip open, walk through up here, flip that open, get access to the bow. For a 19-foot, you got really good space up here as well. This cushion does pull out, kind of gives you some extra cushion if you're trying to hang out, sunbathe. Pull it out if you want some extra leg room. Both of these are on hinges, so you can flip these open, get some extra storage on either side. And then you got 2 speakers, some grab handles, more cup holders here. And then up here, I'll pull these back open, pull this cushion out. You do have some more storage up in this front part too. Storage up in the bow with an anchor slot there for your anchor as well. No, this is a fun boat. Whether you're a longtime boater or just getting into it, it's a great option. Super fun boat. If you guys like it, have any questions, come see us at the store, give us a call. Hope to see you soon, and thanks for watching.